right there, Zombie.
Hello, little hero. Why are you shouting?
You are holding trash. Put it down.
Trash? No. This is my treasure. Treasure?
It's a dirty plastic bottle.
It is only dirty if you think it is dirty.
I need to clean the park. Give it to me.
I will give it, but first, tell me what you see.
I see.
Garbage. Useless garbage.
Look closer. I see a house. A house? Are you crazy, Zombie?
Maybe a little. But zombies know secrets.
Okay, show me the secret then.
Deal.
But you have to help me.
Why do I need a marker pen?
To draw the door. Every house needs a door.
Like this? A square door?
Perfect. You are a good artist, Baby Eco.
Be careful with those scissors.
Don't worry. My zombie hands are steady.
So, who will live in this house?
Someone with wings.
Can you guess?
A bird. Is it for a bird? Yes!
A birdie cafe.
That is actually a cool idea.
See? Not trash anymore.
Can we paint it blue? Like the sky?
Blue is good. I like blue. You are smarter than you look, Zombie. And you are nicer than you look, Baby Eco.
Hang it high so cats can't reach.
Good thinking. Safety first.
Ew!
Put that stinky boot down.
Smell it! Does it smell like?
Dirt?
It smells like old feet. Why do you want it?
Because flowers don't have noses, Baby Eco.
You want to put a flower in a shoe?
Yes. It is called upcycling. Look, it has a hole at the bottom.
That is perfect for water to drain out.
Okay, let's fill it with mud.
Scoop it up. Fill the boot.
Hey, this is messy work.
Messy work makes beautiful things.
What seeds are those?
Magic seeds. Just kidding. Sunflowers. Go to sleep, little seeds.
And wake up as big flowers. Drink some water, old boot.
Now it is a happy boot.
It looks funny, but cute.
Unique is always cute.
What is next?
Do you have more trash?
I have a challenge for you.
A newspaper? I can't read this. It's old.
Don't read it. Wear it.
Wear it? I am not a mummy.
No, silly. Let's make a hat.
Oh. A pirate hat?
Or a superhero hat.
Fold here and fold there.
Sharp creases, Baby Eco. Make it sharp.
Look, it fits my head.
Very stylish. Very eco-friendly.
Here is one for you, Zombie.
Does it match my green skin?
We are the Paper Hat Gang.
We rule the park.
Wait, these small pieces?
Trash? Nope.
Confetti. It's raining paper.
Celebrate the clean park.
Okay, but we have to pick these up later.
Agreed. We leave no trace. Recycling is hard work, but it feels good here.
can wrap it with this paper. Yes! Decorate it.
Another one? What is that can for?
A pencil holder for your desk.
I will draw stars on it.
Draw a moon, too. This is better than buying a new one.
And it costs $0.
You are the best teacher, Zombie.
Careful, I might get zombie slime on you.
I don't care. You are my friend.
Friend. I like that word.
Look at our collection.
The Museum of Second Chances.